Hello guys, welcome to my channel Brown Gentleman Tech. Today we are going to start a new playlist, or you can say a new series of Flutter application called Service Seller App. In this app we are going to design or make a full stack app from scratch, like a Fiverr, or like you can say a any service selling app. So in this app we have many features, like you can one account can be act as an seller account. They can also use their account as a buyer also. So one account can act as in a both ways, in seller way and in buyer way. So in this first tutorial we are going to design a login page, and then we add connect our project to the Firebase as well. So let's get started. So here is the first demo project which is created by Flutter. So now I'm starting here from the column widget and remove this center widget. Says that's it. So first of all, I am going to change this app bar color. So let me change the color of an app bar, and then we can color, and I will give the color as a background color, and colors dot let's say green. I choose green. Okay, colors dot green, and just hot reload it. So this it. And now we are going to start it here. First of all, I am going to take a container, in container and decoration, box decoration, to decorate the box. So decorate the container, I am taking a border radius dot circular, border radius dot only, not all, because I'm going to give it a radius from top, bottom left and bottom right. So bottom right, and radius dot circular, and give it a 20.0, and same, just I copy and paste it for the bottom left as well. So I just copy it and put it a comma, and bottom left, not bottom right, and bottom left. And I also give it a color as colors dot, I will also give it a green, and make the elevation of an app bar to 0.0, and now hot reload it. So give it a height, and height I will give it a 200, and width I will give it a let's say 900.0. So you can adjust the height of your own choice. So that's it, looks good. Now I'm going to give it a child, and in child I will using a column, and again column, and in children I am going to give it a text. I will provide it a name, service seller app. And now I just copy and paste it. First I will give it a style, text style, and now I will get a font size 25.0, and colors dot white. That's it. And now I hold copy and paste it, and just put a best service provider app, and now hot reload it. So see, it's here. So but I just small the font here, 16 and 16, and make it a bold, font weight dot bold, to make the text look bolder. And that's it. So now it's look pretty good, but just I have to give it a padding, so that padding edge inserts dot only, from top I will give it a 30.0, and now it's 50. Now it's so good. So now I'm going to again reformat the code, so you can understand easily. I can make it minimize. So now I am moving forward. So now I am going to come outside of the container, and here I take it at another container for decorating the text field as well. There are many other ways to decorate a text field, but I prefer container. Everything in a container should be better. container, and in child I take a text field and obscure text false. By default it is also false, it's not compulsory to write this line. I just go up and copy this code and put it here. Okay, and just remove this color and make it 10 and 10, and decoration, input decoration, in text I will give it in text we can give enter your email. Okay, that's it. Let's run it and check whether it is fine. Okay, so now I am just going to give it a margin edge inserts dot only. Yes, only from top I am give it 35.0, and from left I will also give it 40.0, and right I will also give a 40.0, and now hot reload it. Let's see. So now it's look good. So now I will take a input decoration. Now I will use a property outline input border, and again hot reload it. So now it's look good. So same I could do it for as well for password field. So I now just copy and paste it and just change it here. Enter your password. So here it is, and I will make it a true because we have to make secure the password as well. So I just hot reload and see password is it's secure, and email is like this. Okay, so that's it. We have to go and also give it a icon as well to the text field. So I will go here and leading. Okay, it is a property of prefix icon, and here I give the icons dot email. Let me choose the email icon, email, and just copy this line. Sorry, this is a password field. Just I cut this line and paste it here for email field, and for password field I will use it a password icon if we have it here. So this it is. So I again hot reloaded and see it is appear here. So now it's look good. So now we have to design a button for it which is having a login written on it. So I will again take another uh, container, or again I'm going to just decoration and copy these lines for the saving of time. So that's it, and just I make it a 50 and 50. Okay, or now I'm going to take a child, and in child we have a text return on text login, and text style font size I will say 17.0, and font weight as bold, font weight dot bold, and color dot white. Okay, so let me give it a height and width. Height is 50.0, and width is I can say 200.0, and hot reload it. We will adjust it after it appears. So let me hot start the app to make the things occur. So let's wait for a 1 to 2 second until it restarted. Okay, and I will give it a color as colors dot green. Now it appears because by default the color is that. So I will give it so it's 10. I will just copy and paste it for the top right as well, top right and top left as well. So I just remove it. Okay, sorry. So now it's look good. I just give it a height a little bit higher to, yes, that's it, and I will grab the text as a center. So that's it. So now it's look good, but just make a little bit higher font So can it look pretty or good? So this is a login page. So here this is like our login page look like. So this is a login page UI. We can, in next tutorial we can design a sign up UI. So we have to also attach the Firebase to it. So let's move towards Firebase in your browser. So this is a, come to your favorite browser and open the Firebase, go to console and sign up with your account, and click on add new project. Type the name of your project. I am typing service seller app, and just click on continue and disable it. Create project and just wait for a 1 to 2 second. It will finish soon. Until still that, I will come to my project and just wait. So our project is created. Just press on continue and it will go in the next screen like this. So we are going to add for Android as for now, and in later videos we can add iOS as well. So just start from here. You have to put your package name. So package name, where you find it, just make it maximize and Android, in app, in build.gradle, and just I minimize it. So here you find the package name. So this is your package name. Application ID is your package name, which is a unique ID of your app. So I go copy and paste it. So SHA1 key, for finding an SH1 key, just click on see this page. It will navigate to the next screen, and Mac or Linux, if you have Windows, then you can choose this. If you have Mac and Linux, you can choose this. I have Mac. I'm using Mac M1, so I will just copy it and I will go to Android Studio terminal and put it here and press enter. And by default, its password is set to Android small, Android, and press enter. So here is your SHA1 key. Just copy it and go again. You go back to your Firebase and paste it here and register your app. It's an if you are going to using Google sign in, Facebook sign in, then you have to put it here. If you are not using your any of these auth providers, then you don't have to enable it. So download Google services.json file. It is a very small file, like 1 KB or 2 KBs. So just allow it, and it is downloaded. So I will again go back to my Android Studio. I will copy it, just drag and drop, and in app section of your Android, just paste it here. Okay, refactor, and it is appear here. Also, I will rename it refactor, because I have multiple files in my system, so it is here. So I will rename it, so you don't have to rename it. Okay, so this by default your name is Google services.json. Okay, so now let's move to next step. Just next, and here project level build.gradle. Okay, we have two build.gradle files, in project level and in project app module build.gradle. So in project build.gradle, I will copy this and go back to it. Project, this is project, and this is build.gradle, and in dependencies I paste it, or again back to it. That's it. And in project app module build.gradle, I will first copy this plugin and app level build.gradle, and in plugin section, where is plugin, here it is. I will paste it here, and again go back to Firebase and copy this dependency and paste the dependency section here. So just that's it. And now I connect and continue to console. Now your project is connected to Firebase, and in authentication tab, just move toward your authentication tab, and in sign in, enable it and get started. So it's also take 1 to 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Email and password, and enable it. We are going to use the email password only, so that's why we are going to enable only email and password. If you are going to use any other auth provider, so just enable it from here. So that's all. We are going to use the Firebase database, a Firestore database as well. So we will enable it when we are going to work on it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please must subscribe and share the video with others, and don't forget to like the video. Goodbye.